Hi, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to hide any payment methods for specifically tagged customers at Shopify checkout using PayRules. In this video, we use cash on delivery as an example. First, we add a customer tag as a wholesale. Click on the PayRules app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Now click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Select Customer Tag. If you want hide cash on delivery available only for certain customers, like those tagged wholesale, select If Found from the drop-down. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the payment methods and click Add or type a new payment method. Choose Cash on Delivery. This setup ensures that only customers tagged as wholesale cannot see the Cash on Delivery option during checkout. Now click the Save button to apply this rule. Now let's test our rule. Currently, we can see that cash on delivery is visible because the customer was not tagged as wholesale. Now add the customer's Gmail who is tagged as wholesale and check it. As expected, the cash on delivery option disappears because we've added the customer's Gmail who is tagged as wholesale. That's it, a simple way to manage any payment methods with KlinKode PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!